Hey everybody, welcome to Advanced Kingdom TV. This is Forex training course for beginners. This is a course that we used, we produced this a couple years ago. We used it to train new individuals how to trade Forex. We no longer trade Forex in our community. We trade the futures market. But the reason why we're publishing it here, if you're following this channel, we trade live every morning in the futures market. We still use these same concepts that we use in the Forex market to trade currencies, equities, doesn't matter the chart, stocks, we trade it all. And we use these methods to change. Now, when you're looking at these videos, a few things are going to change from what you see us do every day in the market in the morning. One of the things that's changed is how we place orders. What you'll see in the video is that we're placing orders on MT5, MT4. Now, we do not do that. We place orders directly on TradingView, and we also use NinjaTrader. So that's going to be a nuance that's going to be a little different. Stay tuned for some future training that will teach you how to use NinjaTrader and TradingView. But go through the course, get familiar with the terminology that we use, get familiar with the concepts and how we use them, because that's what you're going to see us do on our live trading. Now, as you're going through the course, it's going to be a lot of information. You're going to be drinking from a water hose. We're going to show you everything that we know how to do with trading. And there's some more stuff. We got some future trading, but this will give you a good start. When you're doing this, you can hit the gear button, go to playback speed, and you can speed it up. I'll sound like a chipmunk, but it'll get you through the courses a lot faster. Pay attention to support and resistance. That's a key concept. Pay attention to our divergent and shark fin strategy. That's a key concept, but the rest of it you can kind of move kind of fast through and go through it as much as you want to. We're going to leave this up for as long as the Lord says so. If you have any questions, reach out to us on our live calls. We'll also be sending out an invitation to invite you into the community. In that community, you get one-on-one coaching, group coaching, different things like that. And yeah, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll go from there.